What is going on? It is Kelly Hoover. I hope you guys are doing amazing. You are watching a quick video all about Instagram Reels, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, hit the pause button and go over to Instagram and check out the new feature, Reels. R-E-E-L-S, Instagram Reels. So what are they? They are quick, short, 15-second videos similar to stories, except for they can live on your feed. There is a section once you start creating reels actually on your Instagram in between the grid and IGTV and where people tag you right there. There's an entire section for Instagram reels and you can put them on your main grid. So here's the thing, where are you going to find reels at? You can find them on the Explorer page. It's a new feature for Instagram. So yes, you should run as fast as you can and try it out. Here's the cool thing. When Instagram puts out a new feature like this, they're going to reward you for trying it out, for experiencing. And do you remember when TikTok first started and how people became TikTok famous like overnight? I mean, they have a house for TikTok people to live in. So you can only imagine this is Instagram's basic competition for TikTok, right? And so it's so funny. Here's the thing, all the millennials jumped all over TikTok and they love being marketed to. So you know they're going to be on Reels. You know that people are going to be showing up on Reels on Instagram. So here are a few ideas that you can do, and I'm going to walk you through also actually how to do a Reel. So here's a few ideas of what you can post on. So share educational content, tips, how-tos, maybe some inspirational content in a way that maybe you can inspire people or you can focus. Definitely talk about, maybe you have any sort of routine that you do throughout your day. You can definitely talk about that. Talk about your products, actions, things that benefit you, joining, certain parts of businesses. There are so many different things that you can do on Reels. Show your personality, show your community, show the benefits. Entertain people, right? And so there are so many incredible things that you can do on Reels. So I'm going to actually walk you through how to do one, a very, very simple thing. So let's share right on over to the phone. Here we go. We are going to share right here, and we're going to walk through how to do a Reels. All right, here we go. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, so where do Reels live? You're going to first go up to the top of the camera button up there, and you can see all different types, right, of things. You see down here on the very, very bottom where it says Reels. That's where you're going to go. You're going to start there. And I'm actually looking into my phone, so I'm going to be talking here. So you can see the very top button. That is the audio. You guys, you can pick anything. Okay, so you can pick music if you want. You can pick whatever you want. The next section is if you want to speed it up, if you want to slow it down. Here is if you want to put a filter on. I mean, they're there. We might as well use them. Let's see here. What do we want to have? What kind of filters do we want to have? I don't know. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go back to the filters. Let's get something more serious here so I can really teach you guys. Okay, so let's see here. Let's just use like a basic filter that is very clean. Okay, so the bottom part right here, that little timer, that is going to be where you can move it if you want to like split it. So let's say that you're sharing something specific, okay, and you want to show like 3 parts of it. You hear where the music stops, so you can go like that and it stops, or you can extend it all the way out and it goes the whole 15 seconds. Do you see the timer up top? Okay, so I'm just going to do it like this so I can show you, but you guys can change it. Okay, now when you set the timer, it's going to count you down. Okay, so I'm just going to do something silly. We're going to go, it's going to count down 3, 2, 1. You see how it went? Okay, so now what we're going to do is, let's say I want to add, let's say you don't like that. You want to go back. You can delete it right there. Okay, so you can completely delete the clip and go back And let's say you want to put on a filter again, and this time you want to make it all the way. All right, you're going to set the timer, and you're going to click go. And it's going to go. And I can't sing, so I'm not going to try to sing. You can do whatever you want during this. Obviously, you can talk. You don't have to have the music on. Okay, but when you're done, it's like, okay, we're done here. You see the bottom area to the right? Actually, we're going to go back and add some words. I'm going to show you. Up here in the very, very top, you want to be like, hey, Reels. Okay, and you can do whatever you want to do, just like you do on your normal Instagram, okay? Now, here's the cool part. Let's say you want to hold this down. You see down here at the bottom where it says, hey, Reel? You click it on the white, and you can move this, okay, to where you want the hey, Reel to go. Now, watch, it'll disappear. You see it went away? And then you're going to go over here. You're going to write yourself a little caption. Here's one thing where it says cover, and you want to add a cover to it. If you're going to put it on your grid, you want to add a cover. You just don't want to have your reel sitting there. So you can go and you can add. The very, very bottom it says add from camera roll. So you can do that. You can just pop a photo in there. Let's pop that photo in there, and you say done, and then you type like, hey, whatever. And then you can hit share. You can save as a draft. Now, where do these puppies hide? Like I said, here is the reels, okay? There they are. And you can check out the drafts. Pretty cool, right? So where do you find them? Explore button, and you can see all these different types of reels. Okay. Hopefully this helped you guys. And trying to think of a few other things. Oh yeah, a few other things that you can do on Reels is just be yourself. Keep it, completely unique and fun, and whatever you're normally. Don't try to be something that you're not, but definitely focus on your personality, focus on your products, focus on your business, focus on the fun things that you have going on in your life. All right. And so check out the reels. Tag me if you are doing reels. I would love to be able to see what reels you're doing. I think that would be so fun, and definitely keep checking back at mine. I'm going to be adding more daily. Hope this helped you guys.